Neb Ron here. Probably drop you guys another video of this latest boat I made called the Neb 2. I already made the Neb 1. That was my RC Husky 25R. This is a 27cc stihl motor. I bought the hull off Kijiji, but I did cut about a 3-inch strip off of here. It was a fishing boat hull, as you can see. I just kind of modded her up a little bit. Lightweight aluminum, super light, thin. This is enamel paint. Now, inside the guts of this bitch, my custom exhaust, which was just this pipe straight through. I talked to a buddy of mine, told me I needed a combustion chamber for more power, so I made one of those up and put that on there. I just finished that. This is all the gear out of a Traxxas T-Max. Custom aluminum bracketry, as you can see. That's what I did for my turning spot. Fiberglass and bolts in there, some down in there. There it is, servo. Mounted right to this cover for the air breather, which actually worked out really nice. But yeah. There we go. Tilt switch for the motor. Took that rid of the whip snipper. Whip snipper, I got that free. The end blew off and it didn't run very good. I just had to clean the carb and fresh gas and a new plug and that bitch ran perfect. It's my shaft, and you see detail down there, and yeah, probably not. Not really. I used the air filter down there because it was right hard and thick, and drilled a hole and put my shaft through it and a couple washers, and basically that's a brass bushing. The shaft comes through there. Well, that's a solid piece of steel I welded to the shaft, and then my prop through there. A little rudder action. I'm gonna start this up with. You don't need this to start it, but. That bitch is ready to go. Just waiting for a good day to try her. Say it's rainy and shitty over here now. Raining off and on, so I don't know, I might get up there later. I doubt it. It's the Neb 2, but actually the name of it is called flexalot. There's my logo for a flexalot, that bitch. Picked that up, crappy tire, 74 cents, that and 2 small ones. But my name stickers are getting made up right now at the sticker shop. It's gonna go right there, flexalot, nice big blue letters. And I'm gonna put another little sticker at the end of it. A miniature one of those. Fucking awesome. Anyway, I'll get a view of this in water. Let's do a quick run over to my Neb 1. Last year's model right here, the Husky. This one actually wasn't too bad, but the motor's not as powerful. And I made this whole hull myself. It's really heavy. I've got wood, fiberglass, aluminum, more fiberglass, plastic stuff, you know, just a packet full of shit. And I got a way bigger prop on this blade. I think it's too big. Couldn't get the RPMs out of it. Same electronic setup. I'm gonna redo this one. I might even put it for sale, I don't know. I just headed off the motor and cleaned the carburetor. I had to tune that up, it's gotten wet. So I cleaned that out and that actually runs really good. I'm gonna lighten her up a little bit yet. But that's that. By the way, that one I think was 28 kilometers an hour, I believe. Just a hair under 28 kilometers. That's what I got on that, I think it was. This one I'm hoping to get, even though I got this great big keel or whatever, here it's going to slow me down, but it's so much lighter and smoother that I'll go over to get about 38 out of that. So we'll see. Later.